Top of the morning to you. Dude, my nose is so stuffy. No hate. Anyway, we're at the shop. We are loading up Jena as we speak right now. Hopefully Carlos doesn't smash the trailer into the Escalade. But we're getting her load up. It's so freaking loud. I'm talking the decibels will just blow the speakers out if you guys hear this. So super loud, blows out speakers. So we need to venture off into a land where no one can hear us, because tuning this thing on the street is impossible. Cops all around us are gonna go crazy. So we have to take Jena outside, street tune it outside, dial it in there, and that's our mission today. Breaker in, the motor hasn't really been broken in. We need to seat the rings. If you guys are wondering, when you freshly build a motor, I'd say at least 20-25 miles to seat the rings really good. And that's what you gotta do. So we gotta do what we gotta do to get her to get into these races. And if you guys want to call us out, please do. Share with a YouTuber that drag races on the street, and we put that money up. Top of the morning to you.
Good morning, my friends.
Jenny is here. We are at the shop,
yes,
of course.
You missing one?
If you guys are wondering, these are the new gull wing fenders that we started to design.
It's the Art Deco.
This is the freaking the Mandalorian fenders that we are establishing right now. Carlos,
They touched.
what?
They touched.
They touched. Okay, his reasoning is that the slicks touch the thingamabob and the haha. If you guys are the gull wing,
Whatever it takes, right?
we who designed this? You should have teardropped this rear bumper is tight. It should have went more teardrop in the back here, like a tooth, like a fang.
This is what happened. The lower you go here, the more this
Fucking wabbles.
Yeah, so this is tight. Like it ain't gonna
Bro,
move.
it's called gull wings for a reason, fool. Would have flapped.
You can always
What, you want us to fly? Here, yeah, I have the original fender. This is the original fender.
Oh, we have specialty gull wing detachable fenders.
junkyard fenders right here.
Yeah.
So we have a set. We have the original set, but these are the new gull wing.
What's going on, guys? I know it's been a long time since you guys seen us. We've been chilling, working, trying to get the shop set up. Obviously, you can see Carlos has been hard at work, getting the toys ready. We're hoping this thing can hit a 10-second pass the way it sits. I mean, if we have to, we can always change things up, put cams in it, you know. But right now, the goal is just to get this thing running nice and smooth. We're gonna do some test passes out in Mexico. With Carlos behind the wheel and Carlos behind and Mike behind the keyboard. So this is gonna be what the All Motors Jena's first outing, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
First anything, because we haven't really.
It is so loud.
Definitely. Hey, did you guys bring earplugs?
I have earplugs. Take your bag, baby. Oh,
Sick ass.
sick ass. You got zip ties?
Perfect. Zip
Got
ties,
one.
bro.
You got one?
We only brought one.
Yeah.
Well, that sucked.
This is what happens.
This is what happens, guys. We didn't bring any tools.
We didn't bring pieces.
You break the bumper.
Damn it, Janet.
We gotta MacGyver this right now.
What we got?
This is what we got. We got some toothpaste, some a Q-tip. We got a 10mm right there.
Look at this guy.
This mother MacGyver right now. No, my gosh, you guys. This is the shit. Look. Come on, you mother. Come on, you. Oh, you. No way. Carlos, I would have never thought to do that.
Alright, we're back in business.
We're gonna MacGyver one way or another. But look at this. How beautiful this looks. This is some craftsmanship right here.
Some craftsmanship,
This
okay?
is probably the best thing. Like, we should have done this to the
Nasty.
widow. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Slice bread.
We are gonna do it to with us. The new
Right?
shit. Everyone copy us now. But go down and just put it in second and just hold the throttle steady. So go 25% throttle all the way down, all the way up to about 7,000 RPM. Come off, come back, decrease it by like 40%. Hold all the way down 7, and then let off. And that's how we're gonna build the map up. Okay? All right, go ahead. Cool. Let's see what she does. Hey, at least the VTEC works.
sun's gleaming. It's like
Saucy.
air quality, I think it's
Super
pretty good.
super rich.
What do you think this thing weighs?
Me?
If the Pink Widow, if
18.
the Pink Widow weighed 19
19 or something?
19 without Carlos in it, it'll probably weigh, yeah, probably.
It was 2018 or something.
with Carlos in it, 2046.
Oh, okay.
Is that the 12 or is that the
12, yeah.
yeah?
Get it right on.
Everybody over here with the 12s. I'm still over here
I
with
mean,
the 10.
yeah, I'm at the XR level, baby.
Yeah, XR, me too. We're more than the 10.
Toss these things like hockey pucks. No big deal.
Let me see something.
You gonna drive it, Billy?
Yeah, drive it, Billy.
Chris,
You're
come
not
on.
No, let him go first.
I'm gonna try to see this.
He's gonna get.
Yeah,
He's
you
gonna,
might as well
I
say
felt all motor before, but this guy right here, he's never really like. He's not really a Honda guy, but he likes Hondas. This is gonna be his real.
Shift fast, just shift
Yeah,
into
just-
it and then gun it.
And then
Good. Pump. Yep.
fan.
Start this bitch up.
So this is Peasy's first experience in an all motor.
Gas, baby. Give it gas, give it gas.
See? Done broke it. God damn it.
Peasy, what the fuck did you do, man?
Snapped the fucking shift cable.
It's
No
you
way.
snapped the shit.
I guess. I don't know how. Yeah, the
What's
thing came
going-
off the block.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that's what I thought it was.
No.
Oh no.
What's up?
That's the head off the cable, dude.
Oh sh.
Because I went in a third, and when I shifted to fourth, just to let off, because I and when I went to go back in the third, I had nothing.
Test
parts, sometimes they fail.
How did it feel though?
Dude, that thing's nasty.
How did it feel?
It's stupid.
Is it crazy or what?
I've never driven a car that fucking fast.
Are you serious?
No, Doug, I'm fucking shaking.
This is life. This is life right here.
Well, at least we know what we can go cheap on and what we can't.
Hey, here you go. No,
We put the cables to the test. Don't buy cheap cables.
no cheap cables.
I got so. I would have been so
mad at you.
Like, yeah.
We're like, fucking crash!
did it again.
No, not tranny.
No.
You can
I'm
tranny
so
kill.
glad. Thank you.
Yeah, this is what we got to do. So it happens. Stuff breaks. We got to replace it. But it is fully street tuned. Thanks a lot, PZ. Stop with you, bro. Man. Oh, I'm just kidding, bro.
I know.
PZ, what the fuck did you do, man?